Hey guys, what's happening? How to change contact information in Microsoft Teams. So to update your contact information in Microsoft Teams, you need to change the information from within. So if you synced your contact from your iPhone, then you need to change the contact information from your contact list. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, and of course go to your contact. Let me try to look it up, right? And then select the person that you want to change the contact information. Maybe you want to change their name or whatever. Just go ahead and hit edit at the top, and of course change their name, right? And then hit done, and the changes will be applied in Microsoft Teams. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.